Hi guys, my name is Audrey Duncan and I am the creator and writer behind fashion and wellness blog, The Audrey Real. I received these 1-2 Cosmetics magnetic eyelashes through Influencer for testing purposes, but all my opinions are 100% my own, and I will tell you, I am in love with this product. False eyelashes with glue are a thing of the past. If you're a beauty geek at all, you have to have these eyelashes. No, I'm not talking about the glue, throw away, $6 every time you want to wear them eyelashes where you get glue and accidentally glue your eyeballs together, where you get it in your eye and you end up crying their whole makeup off and you have to redo one side of your face. Of course, when I first got them, I immediately had to put them on, so I threw them in my pocketbook because we were headed somewhere. So I was sitting in the car trying to get them on, I couldn't see anything, I kept losing them, and I was getting really frustrated. And if you follow me on Instagram, you probably saw on my stories that I really disliked them. About a week, I decided to give them a second try, and I sat in front of a mirror in the stillness and was able to apply both of them, and absolutely fell in love. The lashes are very high quality. Each case comes with 2 pairs. These are just meant to go on the outer rim from the middle to the outside edge of your eyelashes. I want to get a second set of this short lashes, and I want to get a third set of the lashes that go all the way across. They have individual bottom halves, so it's easier to apply than trying to hit 3 magnets at once. I'm going to start with my left eye. I'm going to use the top portion of the left, grabbing it by the outer edge of the eyelash and just placing it at the base of my eyelash, kind of resting on top. And you can see it kind of fell into the background, the outside of the eyelash. I start in the middle of my eye and just kind of trace it up until it snaps into place. And sometimes I'll push it around to kind of get it to sit. It's completely changed my whole look. Like, this eye looks way more lifted than this side. Now I'm gonna put on the right side, and again I'm gonna do the exact same thing. I'm gonna take the top right, grab the outer edge of the eyelash, place it at the base of my eye, at the very edge of my eye, and I'm actually using my camera to do this, so you can imagine that a mirror would be much easier. Then I grab the bottom portion, the outer edge, take it about. Place it halfway, and there it goes, snaps right in. I have 3 cons for these magnetic eyelashes by 1-2 Cosmetics. First, they are only available online. Second, they are semi-pricey and between like $60 to $100 a set, but each case comes with 2 sets, and they're reusable, and I have literally used these probably 20 times. The next con I have is that whereas traditional false eyelashes you basically remove by pulling off, these you remove by taking the 2 magnets and sliding them opposite directions and then kind of scooching them away from one another. Well, I didn't really realize that at first, so if you know that, you can prevent this, but because I was originally just trying to pull the tops off, I was grabbing it by the eyelash, and I pulled the eyelash from the actual magnet. I love these eyelashes because they're super lightweight. I can hardly feel like they're on my face. I accidentally wore them to hot yoga the other day, and I didn't even notice until take off my makeup, and my eyelashes were still on. So I've gone running in them. They will stay on all day. I do wear mascara underneath them. I think it helps grip onto the eyelashes. I mean, the magnet's really strong. It's not going anywhere. It also helps make my eyelashes look fuller and more voluminous. Thanks so much for watching, guys. Again, my name is Audrey Duncan. Follow along on my blog at www.theaudreyreal.com for more content like this. Click the subscribe button. Follow me on Instagram at theaudreyreal.